Welcome to Cybersecurity Awareness Month. In the world of cyber where data and dreams intertwine, it is important to be aware of cyber criminals lurking in the shadows. This Cybersecurity Awareness Month, we need every citizen to embrace their inner cyber superhero to help secure our world. Today, we will learn how to battle one of the main threats to our mission of staying safe online: phishing. Phishing refers to the practice of sending messages from seemingly legitimate sources to users in order to get them to reveal personal information or click on a malicious link. Step 1. Identify the enemy. Recognize their tactics using the SLAM method. Analyze the sender's email address. Check for odd-looking links and unsolicited attachments. Be wary of urgent pleas, strange requests for personal info, or deals that seem too good to be true. It's likely a scam. Step 2. Take action. Don't engage with the message. Use your super tools to report phishing attempts or flag them as spam. If it mimics a legitimate person or company, alert them through a separate communication method. Report it to your IT or manager if necessary. Step 3. Eliminate the threat. Simply delete the message. Even clicking unsubscribe could trigger malware. Wait a minute. What's that on the horizon? Another villain: spear phishing. Unlike broad phishing, this one is highly personalized and targets specific users. These messages may look legit and sound urgent. Always verify by contacting the person through a different source. Together, we can shield our world from these cyber threats. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and let's keep our digital world safe and secure.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.